Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cotton candy craft. First, gather your materials. You'll need cotton balls, liquid glue, and a sturdy base like a paper cone or cardboard. Also, pick out some colorful paint or markers to give your cotton candy its sweet, vibrant look. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that signature fluffy texture. Gently pull apart your cotton balls, stretching them slightly to make them look light and airy. Next, apply a thin, even layer of liquid glue onto your paper cone or cardboard base. Carefully press the fluffed cotton onto the glued surface, shaping it into a delightful, cloud-like form. With your cotton cloud formed, it's time to add some color. Using your chosen paint or markers, lightly dab or brush the color onto the cotton. Remember, a subtle application often looks more realistic, mimicking the delicate hues of real cotton candy. For an extra touch of magic, you can sprinkle on some fine glitter while the paint is still wet. Once you've added all your colors and details, let your cotton candy craft dry completely. This ensures everything stays in place and your creation is sturdy. If you wish to display it, you can attach a craft stick to the bottom or a string to the top for hanging. Check the description for links to supplies and other great deals. And remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.